Whoa!
Gosh, she went up for 7 and I went up for 13. Pathetic. God, you're almost as bad as you.
What?
That's all?
Don't compare me to her.
Mimi, see?
Fine.
No, I take showers. I'm sorry.
What?
He was comparing me, so I said no. I take showers.
And then don't mess with it.
That is
I'll
awesome.
blow up in his face.
Here.
Don't mess
This is
with
like
it.
recording random freaking fireworks.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
So when someone calls you, do you have to put your password in?
No.
But when you hang up, it goes right back to the pattern, and you can't just get into it. Oh my god. I thought that was
Jesus Christ. It was kind of loud. Dude, I can have my little 4th of July anytime I wanted now.
You're a tard.
No, but you still love me.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I'm going to post this on YouTube and I'm going to post a little title, "You're a Tard." Kind of cool.
Wow.
That's awesome.
There's another one. Landon, you don't do that.
Boom!
Set your face on fire.
And that would be so much fun.
That's it all. It scared me. It scared me.
That is so boring.